I lost respect for my childhood hero AB de Villiers is what Kaya Zondo has said. Why has he said this? Well, I'm going to be telling you. Uske baad, Ollie Robinson has spoken about the fact that he felt after that controversial tweets backlash, he was never going to be playing for England again. He opens up about it and I will tell you more details about it. Aur sabse ant mein, why has Jofra Archer asked Michael Vaughan to untag him on Twitter? Well, to find out, stay tuned to today's video of News Tracker. Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well and keeping safe. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. This is the show News Tracker where we keep you updated about everything happening in the world of cricket. So if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Cricket Tracker as yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, so hit that button quickly. And without wasting any more time, let's begin today's video to find out what's making news in the world of cricket. South African batter Kaya Zondo has revealed during the social justice and nation building hearings that he has lost respect for AB de Villiers. Now this comes after the fact that Kaya feels that de Villiers of course dropped him deliberately in that South Africa tour of India in 2015. Now Kaya said, "De Villiers called me over to the side. I looked up to him as a cricketing hero of mine. I could not believe this guy was trying to justify himself to me, and it came across as if I should accept this decision because the decision came from him. I switched off mentally for the rest of the day and I detached myself from the team because it was clear I was not wanted." How do you all view this statement made by him, and also, for him to feel really upset that it was coming from his cricketing hero? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Pacer Ollie Robinson definitely came back stronger on day 3 as he got his career best 5 for 85 in the ongoing England-India Test series. But one has to remember, not too long ago, of course, he was facing backlash for those controversial tweets that he put up as a teenager. He has now revealed what he was feeling, during that period of suspension, and also the fact that he thought that he would never play for England again. Now, Robinson said, "There was a time when I was speaking with my lawyers and we were looking at the fact I could be banned for a couple of years and never play for England again. So there was definitely a time I had doubts over my career, but luckily it all came good today." Now, how happy are you with Robinson, coming back in full form and really showing the caliber, or rather the kind of player he is? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That was disappointing news that ECB revealed Jofra Archer will be out of action for the rest of the year. Now, former England skipper Michael Vaughan had something to say about this. For starters, about Jofra's test career, also of course with the fact that his elbow injury is causing all of this. Now, Vaughan of course, wrote that you have to fear for Jofra Archer's test career now. Archer is younger and will receive the best care and hopefully he will make a full recovery given time, but it is a worrying development. Jofra, on the other hand, requested the former England skipper to untag him from the tweet. Responding to this, Vaughan first denied tagging him, however, deleted both the tweets later. Now, what do you all think about this particular statement that Vaughan has made? Of course, Jofra asked him to kind of untag him, but how do you all view this, especially in terms of, that statement being that, Archer is of course young, and what does it mean for his test career? Give me your thoughts in the comments below. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the News Tracker. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Follow all our social media channels, including our Telegram channel, because over there, we have some amazing match-winning combos as well as fantasy tips for your fantasy team, so you wouldn't want to miss it. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon. But for that, do not forget to subscribe to Cricket Tracker, so every time we come back with a new video, you are updated. I will see you very soon. Until then, take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye-bye.